My name is Caitlin Cross. This is my MyCred portfolio. At the top I have my address, my phone, my email, and my social. Scrolling down to educational background, I have included my CRJU 145 portfolio project as well as my English 202 portfolio project. The institutional outcome I picked for both of these is to utilize appropriate current technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, then communicate findings in a visual, written, or oral form. In the English 202 class, we had to research two different career positions in which I chose a criminal investigator and a correctional officer. We had to document the sources we used for our research in APA format, then communicate our research on both positions in an essay. Once we finished the essay, we then communicated our essay into an oral presentation. In my CRJU class, I did research on body cameras. The research that we did find, any of the sources we used, we also had to put into APA format and then communicate the research into a slideshow presentation, which would be a visual presentation. In my English class, I learned a lot about a correctional officer's duties, their salary, the ups and downs of the jobs, as well as a criminal investigator. And then overall, we chose which one we thought would best fit us better based on the job description and the salary and the negatives and the positives of each job. In my CRJU class, I learned a lot about body cameras, how they work, why we use them, what's negative about them, and how I'm going to use them in the field of criminal justice. Going back, I have also included my personal and professional goals, my bio, my resume and cover letter, as well as my skills. I included skills in my content modules because skills are important for an employer to look at, to see what you're capable of and what may match the job description.